Most men lead lives of quiet desperation, says Henry David Thoreau. I don't know you, you don't know me, but one thing you and I both know, you somehow found this page because you want way out of your current situation with your life, out of waking up feeling lazy in your bed every single day, out of struggling to make your life better, out of stress, out of anger, out of concentration problem, out of money problems, out of health problems, out of troubled relationships, out of hopelessness, out of resentment, out of emotional problems, out of loneliness, out of whatever that is holding you back from happiness, great health, great career, unlimited wealth, beautiful relationship. You are in luck if any of the above is you, because you somehow just landed on the one single page online that has the answer to all of those problems. I would know. I would know because a few years ago I stumbled onto the only system in the world that actually provides secrets of wealth, health, happiness, and great relationships for you. This system provides strategies and tactics that can immediately help you get the life you want. What will you get? Emotional balance, more confidence, enhanced concentration, improved memory, be loud, more creativity, be invincible, be limitless, be connected, remove limiting beliefs, clear past negative experiences, turn up your dreams into reality, express yourself fully, develop high self esteem, improve your self image, eliminate negative thinking, avoid self sabotage, reset your mind, conquer fear, doubt, and worry. Make positive behavioral changes, develop intuition, be more charismatic, and become a great people magnet. Access the power of your subconscious mind, develop prosperity consciousness, change your money blueprint, accomplish things in a timely manner, multiply your productivity, incorporate success model, take control of your life and business rather than let the situation control you. Discover the keys to your personal effectiveness. The beauty is the system works for you. You don't have to work hard to get all these benefits. Once you download it into your brain and start running it, turn it on, and it does all the work for you. It doesn't get any easier than this. You are free to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and this will never fade. It will never burn out. In fact, it's only going to get better and better. And it's definitely not like anything you have ever seen before. And it's definitely not like anything you have ever seen before, but you have got to do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. It's not praying, it's not religious work, it's not vastu, it's not 840 complicated steps, it's not psychology, it's not visualization, it's not just affirmations, it's not fire walking, and it's not the glass walking crap, it's not breaking bricks, it's not hypnotism, it's not magic tricks, it's not anything creepy. Fact, these are all those things are tedious, too complicated, too challenging, too stressful, and too time consuming with days and nights of endless hard work. Honestly, if you like spending a lot of time and effort to get no results, then this isn't up your alley. If you are not interested in being more successful than you are your imagination, you should not watch this video any further. If you are not as happy and as successful as you want to be, and if you are really serious about taking your personal and professional life and business life to the next level and enjoy the process, then you are on the right page. If you if 4 years ago you told me I would be more successful by learning few powerful strategies, I wouldn't have believed you. But today I am more successful ever since discovering the most powerful success secrets in the world. A simple and powerful, easy to use system that I'm going to reveal in our 2 day life transforming life mastery program. Hi, I am Ramachandra Bandekar and I want to tell you about the strangest way to get the life you want. I, with my partner Lata Das, discovered an amazing system that helps me get what I want easily and effortlessly without having to do any complicated thing. In fact, all I do is follow this simple system that could immediately take your life to the next level. If you are not as happy and as successful as you would like to be, that means you haven't yet figured out this system, and we can help. Once you start using this system, everything changes. Imagine you come out to our training and find solutions to all your problems, and not only that, you get the answers to the questions that you have been searching. What makes the real difference? Well, that you would change everything. That question, the answer would change everything, wouldn't it? Now, I don't know you, but I know that you deserve to experience that. This means no more old troubles, no more old frustrations, no more unhappiness. The best part, you'll have a very easy to use system that guarantees results in just 2 days. Here is what some of the people are saying. By the way, you make sure you reserve your seat today because the seats are very limited. Get ready for the personal effectiveness and life mastery. Mail me at info@mysuccesspoint.com, or you can call us 0471 That's our office number. And you can call me personally 099 uh, whether you want to come and attend program when we organize, or whether you would like to organize an event at your place. That's up to you, but make sure you are coming quickly. Thank you.